Save wire, save time, save money. The Spool machine is a wire spooling system that will save you valuable time and reduce wire waste. The Spool machine gives you precise control of your pulls and allows you to spool multiple wires into a single spool. Designed with the electrician in mind, the Spool machine has an easy-to-use interface, giving you adjustable speed for precise control. Use the optional foot pedal to start and stop the Spool machine, freeing up your hands to guide the wire while spooling. Mount your spools using intuitive cones that can accommodate any spool with a hub size from 1¼ inches to 3 inches. Feed your wire onto our optional wire counter and pull the exact amount of wire you need for a job. Use the Spool machine to re-spool your drop-off wire, saving you time and money for the next job. Don't wait to stop wasting wire. Get your Spool machine today. Spoolmachine.com